I saw a lot of misinformation about this. What happens, you guys, when there's like a big announcement is that a lot of people get on TikTok, they get on social media, and they do a video with their interpretation of the headline that they just read. And it's often wrong. There's so much bad and misinformation about immigration news. Sometimes like the complete opposite of reality, sometimes just kind of wrong. And I will say, like, even, I'm sorry to say it, but even some lawyers do this. And I understand it. Like, we are, as lawyers, we're doing the same as everybody else. Like, what is like whiplash, and then trying to do our jobs and also get out the information. So, but what I can tell you guys is that, when I see a headline, I take a minute, I read everything that I can, I research it, I go to the sources like the American Immigration Lawyers Association, the Immigration, AIC, the Immigration Council. I go and look at what the people in the know are saying and like do a deep dive before I share it with you guys. I've made a couple of mistakes over the last few years, and I'll do a correction when that happens. But just be cautious about who you're following and whether you can really trust, like whether they are really doing a deep dive and they're super knowledgeable on the videos that they're putting out. There's a handful of really good and thoughtful and well-researched immigration lawyers who are putting out content. And then there's a lot of non-lawyers, forms preparers, and then maybe some lawyers who are just playing fast, just getting out information, and it's not always right. So that's my, with anything else, you gotta really trust your source. And there's just a lot of lies and bad information online right now. Okay.